Good day everyone, welcome to my channel once again. On today's tutorial, I will be guiding us on how to open a Fiverr account. So, if you are new to my channel, please like, subscribe and share my video. You can go to my video description just to check on what I do on my account. I teach people how to make money online, cryptocurrency related, and how to get every of the problem solved. If you are looking for a place to earn money online, or a free airdrop, or know about anything related with cryptocurrency, you are good to go. My channel is available for you. You want to earn money with freelancing sites, Fiverr or Upwork, so you can come here. Maybe you are an undergraduate or you are a graduate and find it difficult to make money online. You have tried and don't know what to do online. Here is the best YouTube channel you can count on just for your daily need. On today's tutorial, I will be guiding us on how to open a successful Fiverr account. So this video will be short, but I have to do it. I don't want to be spending more than 10 minutes on a video or below 10. Once the video reaches 10 minutes, I will stop it and have to create another one. So this particular video, it will teach us on how to open an account. Then the next video will talk about how to create a gig in hierarchy gig. So stay tuned please. Get your email available. Once you open your email account, go to fiverr.com. The link for this Fiverr will be attached on my video description. What is Fiverr? Firstly, I just want to briefly explain what Fiverr is all about to us. Fiverr is an Israeli online marketing freelancing service. Fiverr service serves to allow listeners to apply for a small on and off job or gig online. So in short word, Fiverr, if you have the skills, there's a people that are going to learn digital marketing, logo design, how to create a website, web design, app development. If you have all these skills and you find it difficult to earn money with it, Fiverr and Upwork is a very good site for you to show your talent and earn money in dollar. So I've even created a video on how to withdraw money from Fiverr account earlier. But I will still have to go back today and we do the video about it also. So this presently I'm going to guide us on how to create a Fiverr account. Then my next video will be after successful teaching us how to create a successful Fiverr account. My next video will be on how to successfully create an Upwork account. Fiverr and Upwork account, Fiverr and Upwork, they are a little bit the same. They are the same because they offer the same service, just that the way they pay is different. So you can Upwork can always make payment and an advance payment. Wherever you withdraw your money, and after 14 days, the money will be available on your account. Then you can withdraw. Upwork account, they pay an upfront money before you finish the project. Once you finish the project, you collect your money, or you can decide that you want to collect your money per hour, per minute, per day, per weekly. So depending on your own company. But Fiverr, once the someone pays another on your account, the money will stay for 14 days in your account before you can also withdraw the money to your local bank, Pioneer, or PayPal account. So let's get started. Once you enter this fiverr.com /join, click on input your email address and click. Or okay, let's sign up with Gmail. I want to sign up with Gmail account. So far that the Gmail was already logged in on my Chrome browser. Click on login with Google. Allow it to sign in. Let's say if this network is okay, maybe I should swap to my other network. Let me swap to my other network. Let me pause the video and swap to my other network, please. So I'll swap my network. Thank you. So you click on sign up with Google. Select your Google account. Select your Google account. So I'll allow it to load. You can see it's a question for my username. On this tutorial, I'll be teaching us on how to create my niche. I'm a digital marketer, so I'm going to use digital marketer as an example of what we'll be teaching us here. So you go for a name. You can name it promoter. You can name it promoter Andy or Andy promoter. Let's say Andy promoter. Well, because I'm using I'm using a digital marketer which you have to be able to promote their website to large audience, or help them create a website, or help them to market their store. So click on, after you suggest a name, click on join. Just you can just make sure that the name is related with what the niche you are doing. Click on join. Okay. So click on sign in. It has already been created successfully. Try to input the name again. You can input your Gmail account. Okay. Okay, continue with Google. I think that one continue with Google. Maybe his network. Okay, let me check through my Google name. Okay. So it has already been signed in. You can see it has already been signed in. So once you are here, what next to do is to become a seller. You see, and the promoter. So just come here and become a. So click on this button and click on become a seller. So come down, become a seller also. So click on continue. You can see you can read through this thing. Just click on how to open your account, what is to make successful profile. Take your time to create your profile so exactly as you want it to be. Add a candidate link. So just click on continue. So just you can just as a new if you are new to Fiverr, you can just click on them just to know what they are talking about. You don't need them, just click on continue again. So you input your full name, the name you want to be there. I'm using my own information to open this account. So you put your full information. So description, like you have to talk about yourself. Who are you? What you are doing? And if you don't know anything about what you are doing, if you don't have idea, and you don't know how to put it there into digital marketing, you can just come down here, search for people that have been doing what you are doing before. My own work is either influencer marketer, um, social media marketing. Those are my skills. Affiliate marketing, yeah. E-commerce marketing. Let's go for e-commerce marketing. So you can just search for someone here and say, I will set up an account market your story. You can just copy. It's not that maybe you want to copy into a word to word. You just want to copy his write up about a description, but it's good you try and crack it off edge rather. Just what you are doing, who is you, who are you, what you are doing. Okay, well, my name is Olawale. I'm a digital marketer. I can help you promote your website. I can help you to manage your website. I can help you to all the blah blah. Okay, you are a digital marketer. Okay, I can help you to create a logo. I have this experience. You understand? Those are the things you need here. So once you click on your niche, you search for someone there. This one say, hi, I'm Adelina. I live in Lagos. I'm a software pro. You could see. And the same funnel expert who specially design in customizing for the logo design. You could see she talk about herself in short period of time and you put it there. So that's it about that. So all they need here is just for you to talk, tell them who you are. If nobody knows there, nobody know who you are. Nobody is ready to know you. You have to tell us who you are before we can okay, oh, this is who you are. Okay, let's work together. So that is how it works, guys. So I'm e-commerce where okay, so that's it. So we're in 9 minutes, sorry. I don't want to go over 10 minutes. Okay. So you input your let me just pick something from here. Let me pick something from somewhere here. A minute please. Let me go from one of my accounts. I have an account here already. Like Pochelle. Yeah. Okay. Hi, I'm professional. Okay. You could just copy. Okay. Hi. My name is My name is Andy. So final freelancer, okay, that's it. Select your language. I want to be fast. Select your language. English. Make English as basic language. Select French. Select all those language that you know that a lot of people are from there. You can just put them as communication. Let's say French. Just put it as communication because conversation rather. Because you can't communicate with, you can just communicate. You know it's not your language. So once someone message you with French or German, just go to Google Translator, then to translate in this place. Provide piece. You can use your picture. You can use a logo, depending on your own choice. Just that your picture will be okay because uploading a logo. Let me use my YouTube. Let me use my picture. You can use your picture and you can use any picture. The only thing is that they normally flag the pictures. Once you use the picture that will flag on their website, know that they won't accept it, they will tell you they reject the picture. Then yes, you click on continue. We are in 11 minutes already. Sorry guys, and I don't want to take much of our time. So click on continue. So occupation, I'm a digital marketer. Yes, I've been doing digital marketing since 2009. Select here 2009. So till 2022 that we are. So what are the things? Choose two to five of your best skills. What you know how to do most. I'm an e-commerce marketer. I can do e-commerce marketing. I can do email marketing, influencer marketing, music promotion. Okay, web traffic. That's my work. Email marketing. That's my work. So that's five. Okay, what's your skill? What skill do you know? So you can say you can say I'm e-commerce marketing, social media marketing. Social media marketing is very important. Let's remove email marketing, social media marketing. You can say you are, just tell them what you are. Social media marketing. So select your experience. I'm an expert. Add it. When I was those days, Fiverr will suggest some stuff related to social media marketing here, but I don't think they suggest it again. Just have to type it. Influencer marketer, influencer marketing. So all your skills that you know is your skills, select it there. In case people are searching, they will see it. If you want to put your school, Nigeria, you want to put your school, but all these things are not needed. Put your school, University of Ilorin, University of Ibadan, certificate, that certificate you have, you can put it. If you have a website that talk about your work. Some people have a website for what they are doing, web design, digital marketing. Some people have a website that they can direct people to put your website for people to see. I don't need all this continue. My account has been linked with my Google account already. I click on continue again. I verify my Gmail account. Now this is the place to add number. So this particular place is very important. If you are opening a Nigeria account, you put it in Nigeria. If you open a US account, but being a beginner, you can't just jump to US account like that. You just have to have experience working with Nigeria account because, to be frank, let me tell you the fact. Being in Nigeria it doesn't mean that you won't sell. But some people don't like working with Nigeria, while some like working with Nigeria. We have a lot of people that are making money, many thousands of dollars with Nigeria accounts. But most people believe that using a foreign account guarantees sales more than Nigerian account. No, it depends on how you create your account. It depends on how you create your profile pictures, your gig image, how you create your gig image. The review people have been giving you, that's what determine how well you sell on Fiverr. But lots of people still believe that if you are using Nigerian account, you don't sell well. But fine, using a foreign account and US account, UK account, a lot of people trust all those buyers, all those sellers from those countries. But Nigeria is not bad also. You can still make money with Nigeria. You can say you can make 10,000 naira in a month with Nigeria. So far the skills you are promoting, you are offering on Fiverr account, you are sure about it, you can do it. You can go on and do it also. So this is it. And you put your number Nigeria, click on verify by SMS. A verification code will be sent to your number. So the verification code will get to my number. I'm waiting for the verification code. Once I see the verification code, I'll be put it on my account. Then that's it. I'm using a phone number. Let me coin. So the code has been sent to my mail and I put to my number. I've put the code. Click on submit button. So with phone number, was verified successfully. Click on thank you. Next thing is verification. Is add security question. This question is very, very important. Please, once it's to verification, add security question, please write it down somewhere. Write down somewhere. That's it, please. Because they will request for it one day. You might want to withdraw on the phone, they request for verification code. And your security code, once you can't find that your money is gone, you have to charge them before they can do it. And it take days, it take months. I can't say you might be lucky they reply instantly and give you your security code, but they are going to ask some question. Put your number somewhere, save your number somewhere, save your security code somewhere, your email address, write it somewhere. Then you click on finish. Now you are done with the creating of the account. Then you click on OK. Next is gig creation. So once you are at 70% completion, you can go on and create your gig. Click on finish. You could see blah 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 blah. No, then click on done. The next is creation of gig. So that will be on the next video. So please, if you like this tutorial and you find it to be very good, please like my video, share with a friend that I find it difficult to earn money online. I just started this my YouTube channel. I just started and I still promise you guys a lot of educative videos. Just stay with me. Share my video, like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.